Hey, thanks for watching this short video. Today I'm going to show you how to get a discount on EnviroKlenz products. Now, whether you're shopping for an air purifier or a replacement cartridge or a filter, this is going to give you a 5% discount. And I'm also going to leave a link below this video that's going to show you how to get a bigger discount on a brand new air purifier along with a set of replacement cartridges and filters. Now, if you're just looking for one item in particular, then I'm going to walk you through that right now. So we're going to use this as an example here. I'm going to select the EnviroKlenz Air Purifier. I'm going to add this to cart. And it's going to ask me to choose a color. So I'll go ahead and select black. I'll add this to cart. And then over here on the checkout screen is where we're going to enter the coupon code. So the one you want to enter is the coupon code DRG. Now that's going to give you a 5% discount. So I'm going to go ahead and hit apply coupon. And we're going to look over here on the right hand side, and our subtotal initially was $6.99. When we applied the coupon, then we have a $34.95 discount, bringing the total to $664.05. So that's all there's to it, guys. 5% off coupon. Use coupon code DRG. Just click the link below this video. That's going to take you directly to the EnviroKlenz website, and you can start shopping around. And if you're interested in learning how to get a bigger discount on a brand new EnviroKlenz product plus a bunch of filters, then also I'm going to leave the link down in the description. You can check that out. Thanks for watching and enjoy the savings.